Now I am the download driver MAXIFY this series serial, and you type the driver download and press white and search the official website for you. Okay, this here the official website. Click here and press white. Now click export. Oh, no. This one and search the driver. Okay, guys, this here is driver download, and this here for the Windows 11 and Mac 12 and Mac 11, not Mac 12, Mac 11 and uh, Windows Server. This video I am need to download driver Windows 11 and click here driver Windows 11. Please wait. Okay, this here the driver Windows 11 and your sport system operation you're looking, and this here the language uh, driver. This here for driver package for the driver printer, driver scanner. This here the driver Wi-Fi. This printer is Wi-Fi. The driver support for Wi-Fi. This here the package driver. You're looking the release date. You're looking here, and this field will be download and install. Driver need to set up uh, your product, and this here the node package for driver security, and for the driver scan and printing. This here for operating system support for language and not my driver. Okay, and this download here for the package, looking for the uh, setup back nothing, and for the Windows 11 and your download and download, and please wait. Oh, driver Windows 11 download, 3 driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB driver, uh, cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you please wait finish driver download. You looking here, this here the finish driver download. You click run as the driver automatic detect for the cable printer. Thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe my video, share my video, support my channel, and if you need link download, comment below. If you need question, comment below. If you need